Hi friends, welcome to Simplify Maths. Today we are going to learn chapter 11 perimeter and area. This is an introduction class for perimeter and area. First, we are going to learn what is perimeter of a rectangle. First, what is rectangle? A rectangle is a closed figure made up of 4 line segments with the opposite sides are equal. That's all. This is a rectangle, right? See, phone case is an example for a rectangle. Correct? This is rectangular in shape. The greater measure is called length, this side. The smaller measure is called breadth. Always keep it in mind. Even so many examples we can tell. Our notebooks are rectangular in shape. Even this A4 sheet is rectangular in shape. See, this is length. See here. This is length of the sheet and this is breadth of the sheet. Even doors, dinner table, refrigerator, so many examples we can give for rectangular shape. Our TVs are in rectangular shape. We can give enormous example for rectangle. So always keep it in mind. Opposite sides are equal for rectangular shape. Now perimeter. What is perimeter? The length of the boundary of any plane figure. This is a plane figure, right? This is a rectangle. Length of the boundary means full length of this line. Entire length of this line is called perimeter of the shape. See here. If we start from here, anywhere we can start. If we start from here, it is length. So L. Breadth means B. From here to here, this length is L. So L. From here to here, it is B. See, we started here. From here to here, it is breadth B. It may be of any centimeter. From here to here, it is again L. From here to here, it is again B. We starts here and we ends it here. Okay. If we add everything, this will give us 2L plus 2B. Right? 2 into L plus 2B. 2 is common. So we can take 2 out. So 2 into L plus B. This is the perimeter of the rectangle. See, in this rectangle is made up of length 6 centimeter and breadth B is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay. So what is the perimeter of the rectangle? You can apply this formula nicely. Perimeter is equal to here 2 into what is length? L is 6 centimeter, right? So keep it 6 here. In the place of L, give 6. Similarly, in the place of B, give 3 centimeter, which is equal to 2 into 6 plus 3 is 9, which is equal to 18. See, this is the formula. Using formula, we can calculate like this. For example, if this is 6 centimeter, okay, this length is 6 centimeter. If we add like that 6 plus, this is 3 centimeter, 3. Plus, again from here to here, opposite sides are equal. It must be 6, no? So 6. From here to here, it is 6. From here to here, it is again 3. Because this is 3, this must be 3. Plus 3. If we add everything, 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 3 is again 18. So this is how our perimeter comes. For the rectangle, instead of doing like this, if the rectangle is big, we can just apply this formula. 2 into L plus B. Just keep it in mind. It is very easy. Just we are adding all the sides. That's all. Just adding the sides gives us perimeter of any shape. Here, just adding the sides. All the 4 sides of the rectangle gives us perimeter of a rectangle. So, perimeter of a rectangle formula is 2 into L plus B. Now perimeter of a square with the side of length S. See, we all know square is also made up of 4 line segments with all the 4 sides are equal. That is called a square, right? So now we are going to find the perimeter. That means the length of the boundary of this square. Full length, entire length from here to, see, if we starts from here, we need to measure all the length of the sides and ends here. Okay. That is called a perimeter. Now perimeter of a square with side S. How to calculate? We need to add everything. From here to here it is S. we have taken this as S, side as S. S means it may be of any centimeter. From here to here it is S. From here to here it is another S. So we are adding S plus S plus S plus S, which gives us 4S. For example, if S equal to 4 centimeter, so all the sides must be of 4 centimeter, right? So every side is 4 centimeter. So what is the perimeter of the square with the 4 centimeter? It's very easy. 4 times of side gives us perimeter. 4 into S. What is 4 into S? 4 into S is equal to, in this figure, the side length is 4 centimeter, which is equal to 4 fours are 16 centimeter is the perimeter. See, this is the formula for perimeter of a square. 4S, always keep it in mind. 4 into side is the perimeter of a square. If we add, see, like this also you can do 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is equal to 16 again. So instead of adding like this, for the square, the formula, general formula is 4 into S, 4 into side. Now perimeter of a triangle with the sides A, B, C, that means all the sides are different. How to find the perimeter for this? Suppose if we start from here to here it is A. From here to here it is B. This side is B, some centimeter B, plus from here to here it is C. So A plus B plus C is the perimeter of a given triangle. Suppose this is 7 centimeter and 5 centimeter and this B is 4 centimeter, means how to find the perimeter for this triangle? It's very easy. Just add everything. From here to here it is 5 centimeter. 5 plus this is 4. From here to here it is 4 centimeter. From here to here it is 7 centimeter, which is equal to 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 centimeter. That's all. Easy, right? Now perimeter of an equilateral triangle with a side S. See, equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal. That's all. So now we are going to find the perimeter. If we start from here, see, all the sides are S, means same centimeter only. So from here to here it is S. So S plus here another S plus another S. So 3S. 3S is the perimeter of an equilateral triangle with side S. Suppose it is some 5 centimeter. Okay. So all becomes 5 centimeter. If it is an equilateral triangle, sides are equal. So what is the perimeter of this equilateral triangle with the side equal to 5 centimeter? It's very easy. 3 into S equal to 3 into 5, which is equal to 15 centimeter. Otherwise 5 plus 5 plus 5 also gives us 15 centimeter. Instead of adding all the sides separately, this is the formula. 3S. 3 into S is the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Perimeter of a parallelogram. We are going to find what is its perimeter. That means the length of the boundary. See, it is same like rectangle, but the only difference between rectangle and parallelogram is these sides are not perpendicular to each other, slightly slanting. See, for the rectangle, the angles formed, see, this is rectangle. The angles formed, all the corners must be 90 degree. But here it is not 90 degree. It may be of any angle. It may be of some other angle. So if it is 90 degree, it is rectangle. If it is not 90 degree and made up of 4 line segments like this, slanting lines, means it is called as parallelogram. That's all. Now perimeter. But perimeter won't change, right, for the rectangle and for the parallelogram, because same thing, in the parallelogram also the opposite sides are equal. So it must be the same as perimeter of the rectangle. See here. Here also if we calculate from here to here it is length L. From here to here it is breadth B. So L plus B plus L plus B, which is equal to 2 into 2L, right? 2L plus 2B. If we take 2 outside, because 2 is common, so 2 into L plus B. Always perimeter is measured in units like centimeter, meter, kilometer, etc. That's all. Because perimeter deals with the length. So its unit must be any one of this: centimeter, meter, kilometer, etc. Area of a rectangle. See, we have dealt with the perimeter. Perimeter means the boundary length. Now we are going to find the area. Area means the space, the amount of surface of the plane covered by a closed figure. This thing, this is called area, full area. This is a closed figure. So this is called perimeter. Inside place, entire surface is called area. Just have a clear concept. The outer cover line, the outer line, length of the line is called perimeter. The inner surface is called area. That's all. Now we are going to find we have already done perimeter of a rectangle, right? Now we are going to find the area of a rectangle. It's very, very easy. We will see. See, this is a rectangle with length 6 cm and breadth 3 cm. See, opposite sides are equal. So here 6 cm means here also 6 cm. Here breadth is 3 cm. Here 3 cm means here also the breadth is its opposite side. Breadth is 3 cm only. Now, what is the inner area? See, I have 6 cm now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here this is length. Now breadth 1, 2, 3. What I did here is I just divided these centimeters. Okay, 6 centimeters into 6 parts, 6 equal parts. Similarly, this side I divided. Breadth is equal to 3 centimeter now. So I have divided this into 3 equal parts. So what will come? These are all 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter square. See, squares formed with 1 centimeter each, right? 1 centimeter square. All are squares. So these boxes are 1 centimeter square area. Okay. So here now, if we calculate all the boxes, we have 18 square boxes here. So how to do this? See, this way 6. See here, columns. These are all columns, right? So 6 columns, 3 rows. If we multiply these things, 6 into 3 gives us 18. 18 centimeter square is the area of the rectangle. Also, if you count also, it will just come into our answer 18 only. So for any rectangle, if you divide the length into 1 centimeter and similarly breadth also into 1 centimeter and make squares like that, it will give you the corner square. If you calculate from top to bottom, the corner square gives you the area of the rectangle. So instead of doing like this, just the formula is L into B. If you multiply the length with the breadth, it will give you the area of the rectangle. So area of rectangle, general formula is length into breadth. That's all. It's very easy. See, for example, if you have another rectangle like this, suppose this is 7 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. That means length is 7 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. Means what is the area of the rectangle? Means it's very easy. Just L into B. Multiply it. 7 centimeter into 4 centimeter, which is equal to 7 into 4 is 28. Centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. That's all. Easy, right? So, see, while dealing with the area, always you have to put centimeter square, not centimeter alone, because 2 times we are multiplying this way and this way also. So, this is centimeter square. So, this is the way. If possible, you just divide these into 7 equal parts for length and breadth into 4 equal parts and find your answer as 28 and leave your answer in the comment section whether it works out or not. Area of a square. Area means the amount of surface of the plane covered by the closed figure. That means this interior portion, full surface is called area. See, in our home also we are living in area only, right? It is surrounded with walls. that is the perimeter of the house. The area, the surface which we are living is called area of the house. That's all. Okay. Now, this is a square. See here, with a side s equal to 5 centimeter each, because square means all the four sides are equal. Here also, for your understanding, I have divided each side into 5 centimeter, column wise and row wise, right? So 5 centimeter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I divided it into 5 centimeter column wise. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also I have divided like this. If you count, this is 5 by 5, right? 5 by 5 column and row. So how to calculate? If you give value for this, it will come as 25 here. 1 centimeter each. We have divided this area into 1 centimeter square each. Now, what is the, if you add all the squares, we come up with 25 squares. If we start from here, here it must be 25 if you add, because 5 each, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 5s are 25. That's all. So area of a square, general formula is side into side. Whatever side you are given with, just multiply it. That's all. Side into side is a square, is the area of a square. Area of a square is a square. So answer for this question is, here S is 5 centimeter. So 5 square. 5 square is equal to 25, or 5 into 5 is side into side is 25, whatever. So this is the way to find the area of a square. This is for your clear understanding how this formula comes. That's why I have made like this. So you need to understand how formula works also. Area of a triangle. Here also we are going to find this inner surface, amount of the inner surface of this triangle. How to find? See, you can place any triangle inside the rectangle. It is exact half of that rectangle. Any triangle. It may be of right angled triangle, acute angled triangle, or obtuse angled triangle. So it can be placed inside the rectangle. Okay. With the same base. See, here I have taken this rectangle. This is for right angled triangle. So if you cut like this, it is the, see, exactly two halves will come, right? This is one triangle. Area of a triangle is half of area of a rectangle. So this is equal to half into, what is area of rectangle? L into B. L into B. Just keep it in mind. Instead of L, we have take it as base. Instead of B, that means breadth of the rectangle, we have taken it as height, H. This is B. So B into H, L into B, you can give B into H here. So half BH is the area of a triangle. Half of the area of rectangle is area of a triangle. Area of a parallelogram. We are going to find this inner area. See, it is exactly like rectangle only, but it is not rectangle. Where it differs from rectangle, the angles formed, all the four corners are not 90 degree. If it is 90 degree, it is a rectangle. If it is not 90 degree, it is a parallelogram. So, it is also, see, inner surface. We are going to find the amount of surface of the plane covered by this parallelogram. See, this is a parallelogram. So, from here to here, we can draw a perpendicular from this vertex to this baseline or this length. Okay. So, this is called a height now. So, take this as base. If you cut this portion and take this portion and place it here, it will become a rectangle only, right? See, if you cut this. So, if you cut means this side will be straight line, perpendicular line, right? Just to have it in mind. This will remain as it is and this will be like this, correct? If we paste it here, it will be like this. So it becomes the rectangle, correct? It will be a rectangle. So area of a parallelogram is equal to nothing but this is just we reorganized. We have cut a portion and paste it over here means it is area of a rectangle. So here instead of this is length and this is breadth. So instead of taking this as length, take this as base. This is base. So L equal to take L as base and breadth is height. That's all. Instead of L into B, instead of L place, just give B. That's all. Instead of B breadth, just give this height. So this is nothing but the area of a rectangle only, but we have named it as, instead of L we have given it as base, and instead of breadth we have given a name it as height. That's all. So area of a rectangle is L into B, area of a parallelogram is B into H, base into height. That's all. To calculate the area of the path in the following figure, see, we have seen two rectangles. See, think this as a swimming pool. This as a swimming pool. Okay. This is one rectangle with a swimming pool. Now this is the outer cover. That means outer wall. So this is the walkway. I think this is the walkway. Now our question is, what is this entire area? Entire area is, how to calculate the area of this path alone. We know formula for area of rectangle alone, right? We don't know for this thing. So how to do area of path is, it's very easy. Just to find the area of the bigger rectangle and area of the smaller rectangle. If you subtract area of the smaller rectangle from the bigger rectangle, it will give you the area of this path alone, right? So this is the way to find the area of the path. How to find? Area of the path is equal to area of the outer rectangle minus area of the inner rectangle. Now, cost of fencing. Fencing means if you want to protect your place using wooden thing or whatever, or using iron also, we used to give a fencing outside of our place. So this is called fencing. For doing this, fully cover to protect this place, what is the cost? So only outer place we are going to give our fencing, right? For that, if it deals with the only outer area means just length of the outer area means it is nothing but perimeter. So if you know the perimeter of the rectangle, just to multiply it with the cost per unit length. That's all. Easy, right? This is called cost of fencing because you are going to fence this area alone. Next, cost of tiling. See, cost of fencing deals with the perimeter. Cost of tiling, if you are going to put tiles means it deals with the area, right? Inside area. See, in our house, what we do? We are taking compound, fully surrounded area only we are doing compound. That is called fencing. So for that, we surround our house with the fencing or compound, whatever it is. So it deals with the perimeter. In our house, wherever we are living, the land portion only we are giving tiles, right? That is for cost of tiling. The tiling deals always with the inner surface of the house. So cost of tiling is equal to area into cost per unit square. Per unit square, that's all. So number of tiles. How many tiles required for a house or for a room? Area. For that we need to know area of the floor divided by area of one tile. If we have this much space in a room means this is the tiles we are going to give means we need to know what is the area of a tile and area of the floor. If you divide area of the floor by area of one tile, we will get how many number of tiles needed will come. Also, area is measured in square units like mm square, centimeter square, meter square, kilometer square, etc. See, perimeter deals with a meter, centimeter, mm, that's all. Here it is area. Area means we are dealing with both sides, this way and column and row. So it is centimeter square, meter square, mm square, kilometer square, like that it will go. Circumference of a circle. Circumference is nothing but perimeter only. It's very easy. Perimeter of the circle. See, for rectangle, square and triangle, we have found perimeter, no? The outer length. Here also we are doing the same thing. The outer boundary length we are going to find. That is called circumference of the circle. Have a clear concept. Circumference means the outer boundary length. That's all. Okay. So, this is a circle with a diameter d. See, diameter means a line that moves through the center. This is center. A line that moves through the center of the circle and touches the two ends of the circle is called a diameter. Okay. So, this is diameter. Half of the diameter is called a radius. See, from here to here it is radius. From here to here also it is radius. If you have a circle, okay, you can draw enormous diameter like this, right? The half of the diameter is always radius. See, if you draw a circle means this is the center. So, this line from center to this one side, one part of the circle, if a line starts from the center and touches the one side of one end of the circle means this is called a radius. Okay. So, d is equal to 2r. That means 2 into radius. 2 radius. This is 1 radius. Okay. R plus r gives us d is equal to, this is full d, equal to r plus r, which is equal to 2r. Correct. That is why d is equal to 2r. Also, for all the circles, if we measure the outer length of this circle and divide it with the diameter, we always come up with the answer pi, some constant value. Pi value is 3.14 or 22 by 7. See, this is the case for all the circles. Whatever circles you have given with, if you measure the boundary of the length of the boundary of the circle and divide it with the given diameter, okay, you will get always pi. So, circumference by d is equal to pi. So, circumference is equal to pi into d, right? So, instead of d, we can give this as 2r because d is, diameter is nothing but 2 into radius, 2r. So, 2 pi r is the circumference of the circle. This is the formula for circumference of the circle. 2 pi r. Area of the circle. So, we are going to find the inner surface, the amount of surface occupied by this circle. So, see, if this is a circle, this is the center, right? So, this is called radius. If you draw another line like this, this is called a sector. Just to have it in mind, this is called a sector. Now, what we have done here is, if you divide this circle into so many small sectors and arrange all the sectors like this, one and the other, if we arrange all the sectors like this, okay, what we will have? We will have, see, this is the sector portion, right? If it comes here and here means zigzagly we are giving. So, what will, if you cut for entire circle, what will give? This portion, the length of this portion exactly will come into half here and here, right? Also, if you are keeping this means this is nothing but radius, right? This is radius. So, this must be the side portion. So, this is r. Now, see what figure we have achieved here. We have rectangle here, correct? What is the formula of rectangle? Rectangle formula is area of rectangle is L into B. Now, our L is nothing but pi r, right? See, circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, correct? So, 2 pi r is divided into 2 now. Because this side half half of the circumference will come here and another half will come here. So pi r, 2 pi r, if we divide this into 2, we will get pi r pi r. So length is pi r and here also length is pi r. Here this is equal to b, breadth of the rectangle, b equal to r. So L into b. Now instead of this L, shall we give pi r? Similarly, instead of breadth, we can give r, right? So this is nothing but pi, r into r is r square. So area of the circle is pi r square. Concentric circles. Two circles are said to be concentric if they have common center. See, using common center, if you draw two circles means two or more circles means that is called concentric circles. Now we are going to find the area between two concentric circles. That means this portion. If you want to know the area of this portion alone, it is very easy, right? Area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle. If you minus the area, you will get only the area of this portion. See, inner circle has radius r and bigger circle, outer circle has radius r. We are taking like that, okay? So area of outer circle is, what is the formula? Pi r square, right? So pi into capital R square minus area of the inner circle is pi into small r square. So this is nothing but pi is common. So we can take pi outside. This is r square minus small r square, which is equal to pi into, formula is there, no? A square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. So r plus r into r minus r. This is the area between two concentric circles. If you want only this area, this is the formula. Also, conversion of units. 1 centimeter square is equal to 100 millimeter square. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. 1000 centimeter square is equal to 0.1 meter square. These are all the things we need to know for moving forward. So that's all for the introduction of perimeter and area. We will do the exercise problems in our next videos. Thank you.